If you've tried to activate the Temu Free Gift before and nothing happened, no progress bar, no reward, no confirmation, you're not alone. A lot of people think the free gift feature is broken or fake, but the truth is much simpler. Most people never activate it the right way. Let me walk you through the real method, step by step. Before we start, I've put the working Temu Free Gift code right here on the screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment, along with a couple of backup codes that are still active. Now here's the important part. The free gift does not activate automatically when you open the Temu app. You can scroll, browse, tap deals, even add items to your cart, and still nothing will happen. That's because the free gift only activates when you enter Temu through the correct page. Here's how to do it properly. Step 1. Use the activation link. Click the first link in the description. This step is required. Without using the link, the free gift event will not start. Once the page opens, you'll see a QR code on the screen. If you're on your phone, scan the QR code. If you're on desktop, you'll see a manual code you can enter instead. Either option activates the same free gift event. Step 2. Confirm the activation. After scanning or entering the code, go back into the Temu app. You should now see a progress bar appear. This progress bar is the confirmation that the free gift is active on your account. If you don't see the bar, it means the activation didn't go through. In that case, go back and repeat step 1 using the link again. Step 3. Complete the simple actions. Once the progress bar appears, Temu will give you a few small actions to complete. These usually include things like browsing certain product categories, opening deals, checking specific sections inside the app. These are quick and simple, no purchases required. Each action fills the progress bar a little more. Step 4. Unlock your free item. When the progress bar reaches 100%, your selected free item becomes unlocked. At that point, it's added to your order and prepared for shipping. No referrals, no payment required, no tricks. This is the exact reason some people get free items and others don't. They never activate the event correctly. If you tried before and it didn't work, go back and try again using the code on screen. And if it finally unlocks for you, leave a comment and tell me what you got. I like seeing what people manage to unlock.